Number 10, determine the sum of this series. We want to add all these up. 5 plus 1 plus a fifth plus 1/25 plus 1 over 125. But we don't see that. So we want to add all these guys. 5 plus 1 is 6. 6 plus fifth, 6 and a fifth, plus 1/25. I'm adding smaller and smaller numbers. It's basically just going to stick around the 6 point something, it looks like to me. I don't know. We'll see. Let's try and figure it out. So how do we do this? Well, we know it's going on forever. And we want to add up all the terms forever, and it's getting smaller and smaller. So all we really need to do is find that common ratio. So I'm going to simply take my second term divided by my first term, which is 1 divided by 5, 1/5. So basically you're multiplying by a fifth, right? 5 times a fifth is 1. 1 times a fifth is a fifth. A fifth times a fifth is 1/25. So that's what our R value happens to be. Now, how do we add all these guys up? Well, the simple formula. The sum adding all the way to infinity is simply going to be your first term divided by 1 minus that rate of change or that common ratio. So what's our very first term? 5 divided by 1 minus a fifth. So it's 5 divided by 4/5. Okay. Now, when you go to the calculator, make sure you put this guy in parentheses. Okay. 5 divided by parentheses 4/5. Just we often make mistakes with things, and we need to know always in parentheses if I'm dividing by a fraction. When I do this, I'm going to get 6.25. 6.25. There's where it converges to. It goes boom. When I add all those up, boom, 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 boom. 6.25 is what it's going to add up to for number 10. Very simple formula. You just got to know how to use the formula and plug a sub 1, the first term, and figure out what R is, and you're done.